Hi, my name is attorney Greg Steele, and today I'm going to be answering the question, does South Carolina have legal separation? The short answer is no, South Carolina does not have legal separation. Courts have made that clear. However, if you do not have the grounds for a divorce, you can file an action called separate support and maintenance. It is functionally very close to a legal separation and allows you to litigate issues like child support, custody, all those issues before actually filing for divorce. So although the answer is no, there's no legal separation, there's the caveat that separate support and maintenance comes pretty close functionally to achieving the same goals. If you have questions about a legal separation, you can contact me at my website, gregsteelelaw.com.